Encapsulation. Encapsulation is the ability to contain and control the access to a group of associated items. Classes provide one of the most common ways to encapsulate items. Select New from File menu and select Project. Select Visual Basic. Select Windows. Select Console Application. Type your project name. Browse location and create the project. Copying the required code to create a class person. Type or paste the code to create a class person. This is the public member variable of class person. This is the private member variable of class person. This is the subroutine of the class in which argument is passed by value. This is the member function of the class person. This is another subroutine of the same class. Typecasting integer to string. Here, C type is used for typecasting. Copying the required code for creating and initializing object of a class person. Type or paste the code for creating and initializing object of a class person. Declaring an object of the class person. Public members of an object can be directly accessed. Here, the member str name is encapsulated. Execute the project. Output is displayed.